Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious Empire biscuits using an easy method. First, gather your ingredients, including flour, sugar, and butter. Combine the dry ingredients in a large bowl. Next, cut in 100 grams of cold butter until the mixture resembles fine crumbs. Finally, add 1 egg yolk and a splash of milk, mixing until a soft dough forms. This simple start sets the stage for perfect biscuits. Once your dough is ready, lightly flour a surface and roll it out evenly to about 1/4 inch thick. Use a 2.5-inch round cutter to create your biscuit shapes. Carefully place these cutouts onto a baking sheet. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and bake the biscuits for approximately 12 minutes or until they are lightly golden. Let them cool completely before the next step. After your biscuits have cooled, it's time for the delicious filling. Take half of your baked biscuits and spread a generous teaspoon of raspberry jam onto the flat side of each one. Then, gently place a plain biscuit on top of each jam-covered one, creating a sandwich. Press down lightly to ensure the two halves are securely joined. This creates the classic Empire biscuit base. For the final touch, let's make the icing. In a small bowl, mix powdered sugar with just a little milk until you achieve a smooth, pourable consistency. Drizzle or spread this sweet icing over the top of each assembled biscuit. For a traditional finish, add a glacé cherry or a festive sprinkle to the center. Allow the icing to set before serving your beautiful and tasty Empire biscuits.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.